What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. I'm just going to run down what this trade involved. This is a voiceover as I wasn't able to speak during the trade, but as you can see, I entered during the London session a short after we just took out a short-term high, and you can see the sell side liquidity there delineating in red, and that orange level that I have marked out where the change in the state of delivery is my target. I also like the 5-minute fair value gap, but you'll see that I closed the position just before because I had to get off. However, you can just see right now we're trading down into that Asian range. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you at the end. One thing you want to take note of is if you look to the right side, you'll see where my stop loss is in orange, and you'll see I've placed it above the swing high, just above that purple line. That purple line delineates the Asian range high, and the swing high that was created there, I know price isn't going to go back above there, meaning that I was safe to put my stop loss there. Also, you'll see the stop loss is before my entry, which is perfect as it means that my position is completely funded already. You'll also see that I closed some of my position at the low of the Asian range. That's that blue arrow right there, and the reason for that was just so that I could pay myself. So I closed half my position there, and you'll see me continue to partial my way out on the way down. So there's another partial that I took, as you can see, and then I closed my complete position right here. So why did I close my position at this point? I closed it because 1, I had to go, 2, the London session was finished, and 3, I was then thinking, since we didn't reach the fair value gap in the London session, I wouldn't be surprised if price was going to seek it during New York. Hope you found this insightful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.